Hi, I'm the Canadian cooking in the USA, eh? And while I've been in the garage, I've been thinking, because I think a lot. It's been an interesting year and I have gone through pots and pans, and I was wondering, well, what to do with the collection that I'm just not using? I mean, really. So here I have what I believe is an aluminum pan, and you shouldn't really use those anymore. And then I have one that doesn't really flip my omelets as nice as I would want. And then I have this one here, and the handle wiggles, and I don't want it to fall off when I happen to use it. So I was thinking it might be fun taking shots at my pots and pans. I'm just going to make a modification to my little net here. I improvised this. I hope you like it. Let's see, where would be fun? One over here, maybe? Yeah, we'll put one in the middle. There. There's our little saucepan. We got our little dessert pan. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh, how fun is that? This one goes